Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and also hello to Mrs. Yela Desas-Pardani as the lecturer of the Professional English course who is watching this video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Lydia Nur Fadila with student ID 26021-78003. I am a student of BINUS Online Learning majoring in Information Systems. This video is created to fulfill the first personal assignment for the speaking section in the Professional English course. In this video, I will review the first Professional English video conference held on May 29, 2024, held at some point I gathered from the first video conference. The first point I obtained from the first VCon is an overview of the Professional English course. In this section, Mrs. Yela introduced herself as the lecturer who will teach the course, and immediately discuss the topics, activities, and textbooks that will be studied in the course. Additionally, Mrs. Yela also showed general assessment activities along with the weights and the final exam scoring that students must achieve. This point briefly explains how this course will help students develop their English language skills both orally and in writing. The second point is about the rules and regulations. In this point, Mrs. Yela discussed several rules that students must follow during professional English learning, such as all communication must be delivered in English, avoiding social jargon or terms, and using formal English for spoken and written communication and assignment. In this regard, Mrs. Yela emphasized the importance of rules to avoid plagiarism and not using Google Translate without revision because both are crucial to maintaining academic honesty and integrity. From the discussion, I understand what I should do and avoid while attending professional English learning. The third point is about self-introduction. Mrs. Yela explained the self-introduction method starting from giving 3 tips for a good self-introduction, such as clearly stating your purpose, maintaining your body language, and showing your uniqueness and cultural understanding. To providing some relevant social interaction example with the topic of self-introduction, such as interview situations, meeting with clients, and interacting with classmates. These examples are in the form of the text in the PPT that students must practice to improve their reading and speaking skills. As for testing listening skills, Mrs. Yela provided some audios to listen to along with relevant questions that students must answer. This activity is quite exciting and challenging. I aimed at giving students a clear picture of how they can apply self-introduction skills in a real-life context. The fourth point is about the difference between academic and business English. Mrs. Yela delivered this material clearly and understandably, including the difference along with example. I understand that the difference between academic and business English lies in the goals, language style, and different usage contexts. Academic English is formal and complex, used in educational and research contexts. Examples of academic English are essay writing, research reports, and scientific papers, while business English is more direct and clear, used in professional and commercial environments. Examples of business English are business emails, financial reports, presentation, and negotiations. With this understanding, students can communicate effectively and appropriately according to the situation they face, both in academic and professional environment. The last VCon is about making generalization, restating, and giving opinion. Mrs. Yela explained these 3 methods well, starting from the definition, how to do them correctly, to giving example of each material. In that VCon, Mrs. Yela emphasized more on restating material. Mrs. Yela wanted to test student reading and writing skills by forming discussion groups and providing 5-sentence questions that must be restated. This task is done in groups of 5 people and the results are sent to Padlet before the VCon ends. This session, in my opinion, is quite challenging and exciting because through group work and direct assessment from the lecture, students have the opportunity to improve their skills in rearranging information and expressing opinions clearly. During the closing session, Mrs. Yela provided constructive feedback to students regarding their performance on the text they had completed. Additionally, Mrs. Yela also gave students the opportunity to ask questions related to the material that had been presented, ensuring that all students have a deep understanding of the topics discussed. Thus, after taking attendance of students, the VCon ended. So, for the overall first VCon, I feel that the learning atmosphere was very enjoyable and interactive. I can easily understand every material presented by Mrs. Yella. Additionally, the detailed explanation of rules and regulations by Mrs. Yella makes me understand more about the importance of academic ethics in learning. Of course, some activities such as group discussion and text given in the VCon help me hone my English language skills and learning experience comprehensively. Furthermore, through the presentation of material on the difference between academic and business English, I have a better understanding of the appropriate use of English language in the different situations. With VCon like this, I hope to be more confident in using English in academic and professional life. I think that's all for my video. I apologize for any shortcomings and strength in the delivery. Thank you for your attention and time given to watch this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.